Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of biology to explore a topic that has been making headlines recently. That's right, we're talking about Naegleria. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets of this microscopic organism and discover why it's been causing concern. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the details, let's start with the basics. Naegleria is a genus of single-celled organisms belonging to the group known as amoebas. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is an amoeba? Amoebas are tiny, unicellular organisms that are found in various environments, including soil and freshwater. They have a unique ability to change their shape, thanks to their flexible cell membranes. This shape-shifting characteristic allows them to move and capture their food. Now, let's focus specifically on Naegleria. These amoebas are commonly found in warm freshwater environments such as lakes, hot springs, and even poorly maintained swimming pools. They thrive in these habitats, especially during the summer months when water temperatures are higher. While most amoebas are harmless to humans, Naegleria fowleri, a specific species within the genus, has gained significant attention due to its potential to cause a rare but severe infection known as primary amoebic meningoencephalitis, PAM. PAM is an infection that affects the brain and is almost always fatal. Infection typically occurs when contaminated water containing Naegleria enters the body through the nose. This can happen during activities like swimming, diving, or even using contaminated tap water for nasal irrigation. Once inside the nasal passages, the amoebas can migrate to the brain, causing inflammation and destruction of brain tissue. The symptoms of Naegleria infection are initially similar to those of other common illnesses, such as fever, headache, and nausea. However, as the infection progresses, more severe symptoms like a stiff neck, seizures, and hallucinations may occur. Unfortunately, PAM is extremely difficult to treat, and despite medical interventions, it has a very low survival rate. So, how can we protect ourselves from Naegleria? Well, the best prevention method is to avoid swimming or diving in warm freshwater environments that might be contaminated. If you do engage in such activities, wearing nose clips can reduce the risk of water entering your nasal passages. Additionally, using sterile saline solutions for nasal irrigation is crucial. And there you have it. Now you know what Naegleria is and why it has raised concerns in recent times. While the chances of contracting a Naegleria infection are still extremely low, it's important to be aware of the potential risks and take necessary precautions. We hope you found this video informative and interesting. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And, as always, don't hesitate to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments section below. Until next time, stay curious and stay safe. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of Naegleria. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more exciting and educational content. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.